Hello friends. I want to talk about something that is sitting in most people's kitchen drawers right now, protein bars. I used to buy them every week. They looked healthy. They had the right words on the packaging. High protein. Low sugar. Natural ingredients. I believed all of it. Then I started reading the labels more carefully. Maltodextrin. Glucose syrup. Artificial sweeteners that spike your insulin just as aggressively as regular sugar. Seed oils. Preservatives I could not pronounce. The bar I was eating as a health food was quietly doing the opposite. So I stopped buying them. And I started making these instead. Seed Energy Bites. No baking. No sugar. No equipment beyond a bowl and your hands. 5 minutes of actual work. And every single ingredient is something your body genuinely recognizes and knows what to do with. Let me show you how I make them. I start with half a cup of flax seeds. Ground, not whole. Your body cannot break down the outer shell of a whole flaxseed, so you absorb almost nothing. Ground flaxseed releases all of it. The omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation throughout your entire body. The soluble fiber that feeds your gut and slows glucose absorption. The lignans, plant compounds studied extensively for their role in hormonal balance, particularly for women going through perimenopause and menopause. Next I add half a cup of chia seeds. Chia absorbs up to 12 times its weight in liquid, which means these bites hold together without any binder, any flour, any egg. Inside your stomach, that same absorption creates a thick gel that slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you genuinely full for hours. Half a cup of pumpkin seeds. These are one of the most mineral-dense foods you can eat. Zinc for immune function and skin health. Magnesium for sleep, muscle recovery, and stress regulation. Iron for energy. Most people are deficient in all three and do not know it. Quarter cup of sesame seeds for calcium, healthy fats, and a quiet nuttiness that pulls everything together. 3 tablespoons of almond butter, protein, vitamin E, and healthy monounsaturated fats. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to bind. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to stabilize blood sugar further. Mix everything together. Roll into balls. Refrigerate for 20 minutes. That is it, friends. Keep them in the fridge for up to 5 days. Grab one before a workout. Eat 2 as a meal replacement. Take them to work instead of reaching for something processed. Your body will feel the difference within a week. Tell me in the comments, what did you put in yours? I want to know every variation. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next recipe.